Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. I'm in my vehicle. We're gonna go to Fleet Farm. It's a awesome store. They call it a man's mall, but it's almost like Walmart. You can't go in there and not come out with something. So, yeah, they're all over the upper Midwest here. Like South Dakota and stuff like that, I think. So gonna get some chicken feed, and then I need some water softener salt, and maybe, who knows, maybe I might find a deal there or something like that. So yeah, check out this view. All right, got my chicken feed, my softener salt, and I picked up a package of chocolate covered peanuts. Those are probably one of the best items there. And I stayed out of the sporting good department. That's just like a magnet. I try, so much stuff that you can get yourself in trouble with. So I stayed out of that department. On to the next stop. I think that's going to be the grocery store. All right. Swinging into the Piggly Wiggly to get some items for supper tonight. Okay. Got done shopping. Picked up a deal on hamburger. It was $3.99 a pound. What they normally do is, whenever they have a meat sale, like chuck roast or whatever it may be, if they can't sell it, then they grind it to hamburger and then they sell it a little cheaper. So I usually do that with when they have prime ribs on sale, if right around Christmas time. Shortly after that, I go next couple of days or whatever, and you can get prime rib hamburger ground up for really cheap. So, and I got some other items for supper tonight, and yeah, let's hope this dinner is going to turn out. Actually, what I'm going to try to do is try to make, I looked that up, try to make similar to Buffalo Wild Wings boneless chicken wings, and I got the sauce and some other ingredients. So yeah, I'm hoping to duplicate that, because we always like going there, but I'm not wanting to pay $20 a person nowadays. So I can see if I can make it at home for a lot cheaper. One bag. It's like $14.50 a 50-pound bag. I remember when I first started doing these chickens, average cost was $10.50, and every once in a while they would have some deals going on for $8 something a bag. I only got 2 bags because In the next couple of weeks is Black Friday, and a lot of times Fleet Farm has deals going on, so then that's when I usually load up. So we'll see. Otherwise, you know, that should work out for now. And then I got 80 pounds of softener salt that I gotta put downstairs. And in case you were wondering, there's the brown chuck for $3.99 a pound. Looks pretty good. So today is a new day, and last snow season when I was using this snowblower, this cable broke. It broke right up here, so I needed to get a new cable, so I went on Amazon and I got a new cable. Here's the part number. You can see it, 761872MA cable auger. I installed it. I just wanted to make sure it fits before I would do the video. So let's see if this thing starts up. It should. And I'm gonna turn the gas on because I turned it off when I was done with it. And let's see if it starts. That is awesome. Easy fix. So the reason why I want to have the snowblower ready to go, if we get like what we could get back in January, we got at least 18 inches of snow, and that four-wheeler couldn't handle it all. And because it was so heavy and thick, if it was lighter it would go, but I was using this until the cable broke, and then I strung a piece of wire down here, and then was kind of using that to activate the auger. So now I got a new cable and we should be good to go. All right, appreciate everybody watching. Subscribe to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you are a current subscriber or watcher, I thank you for returning, and I'll have some more videos coming up real soon. Take care.